Obviously, I think it's a good group of guys, really motivated and hungry to be successful.
So to the coach, to the team, to the culture of the Chicago Fire, we're a better city because of what you do, and I want to thank you publicly for that effort.
For the weekend against Houston, there's almost another. It is in after all.
It's been 10 years owning the club, and I feel the Fire has grown and developed just like I have. I'm proud of how far we've come and what the Fire stands for today.
Very nice to meet you. What's your name? Andrew?
Feasting on it, make it 3-1, Chicago Fire.
Chicago Fire clinching their first trip to the postseason since 2012.